Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I've got this Beachcomber Stamping Kit today. I want to show you guys. It's $25. All their stamping kits are $25 and you get a stamping plate, a stamping polish, a top coat or a smudge-free top coat, and a stamper and scraper. So it's a really good deal. Everything you need to stamp in one little kit. And if you use Guyleen325, you get a 10% discount code on this and everything else that's not on sale already at Maniology. So let's take this out. I already took them all out because I thought the stamper and the polishes are really in there in this nice foam. They're not going anywhere. They're not getting broken. They're not getting hurt. And this did have a blue film on it. I, of course, took that off too because we can't see diddly squat with those things on there. So this is a shell. It has like different, like the outside and the inside prints of different shells. And then it has some foam, like from the beach, from the ocean. And several different shells, like layered so that you can do the inside of the shell and then the outline. Put some polish that I had that was really close to what was on the box, just so that we could get an idea. And there's the stamper and the scraper and the polish and the smudge-free top coat. How dare people drive by while I'm trying to do a voiceover. Here's the polish that I used on my nails. It has like a little bit of a gold fleck and kind of looks like sand. I thought it was pretty and I thought it would be really nice with the stamping plate and the polish that they provided. And I don't know, I haven't decided if I want to put like a Frozen is a pearly white from Maniology that I have. I also have a bunch of, powders and things that would make like the inside of a shell. Renaissance polish is gorgeous, and that would be like the inside of a shell. And so is this one. It's iridescent, like the inside of a shell. I also have, here's the Frozen. I really like this. There's some sticky stamping polish from She Modern that would be good for the chrome if I wanted to use that. Tons of chrome. I've got every color chrome. Anyway, I've got the polish that is in the box already open, so I'm going to start with that one. I'm just going to use that. I really like this, the complete shell, and I like this other one here that's like a swirl. I can't remember what these are called. Conch? I don't know. But it's really pretty. And I just put these on my thumbs real quick because I don't know what I want to do on my nails. I'm kind of leaning toward doing like the water washing up on a beach. And then put shells at the edge of the water. And I really like that. That's cute. You can see like the little gold flecks through it. And just using straight acetone to clean up that mess I made there. Alright, so I decided I wanted to use the beige and just kind of like put a little bit of sand, a beach, if you will. Along, I don't know, the two middle fingers. I feel like I'm going to cover the whole tip. And maybe just a little bit of my index and the pinky, like the inside corners. Or any little sponge would work. That was my stomach growling. And I don't think this is not the foam from the waves that would be washing up, but it looks kind of like foam. The other one in the left-hand corner down there is the one I should have been using, but close enough. Just going to use a little bit of white just to make it look like a little bit of foam washing up onto the beach from the ocean. So my husband is glued to my ass right now because I'm home. Makes me want to go back. I'm a terrible wife. Terrible. Of course, Penny's also glued to me. The cat hates me now. He won't come near me. He hissed at me yesterday. Alright, so I got the little bit of foam on all my nails. And going to clean that up. And move out onto the shells. I mean, there's so many shells here. And they're all layered. All adorable. I just randomly picked a few. And I'm not going to show you all of them. Just going to do a couple and show you. And then show you what I completed Manny. My birds, the hummingbirds are mad at me. They're out of food. I gotta feed their, I gotta fill their containers. I just filled them last night. And 3 of 4 are empty. Now don't forget, we got a month before the Halloween box is out. So be ready, set your alarms. I'll let you know when exactly it's going to be released. You'll see it on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. But you're going to have to, if you want this, you're going to have to set an alarm for your time zone and get in and buy it. Because they are going to sell out. Last year they sold out in 16 minutes. And I'm going to be, just like everybody else, I'm going to be in there trying to get mine to give away. Alright, so the first layer, you scrape it one way and then you pick it up in the opposite direction, and you want to do it, pick it up with just the weight of the stamper. Scrape it one way, roll the stamper the other way so that you don't have any empty holes in that negative space. Same thing, scrape it this way, roll it that way, line it up. Now I have done this a billion times and can usually line it up pretty good. But if you need help lining up, use your square, your rectangle stamper, and use one corner and line it up straight so that it's easier to then pick up the layer to put on top. I was picking it up willy-nilly and then was having issue lining up the outline to stamp over. I did pretty good though. Okay, I did fine. Oh, those are so cute. Aren't they cute? So cute. And I'm going to put, this is Parrot Polish Feather Dust Top Coat. You can use the smudge free if you are worried about smudging. I wasn't. I don't know. I kind of like my thumbs too, but. And then I remembered I have this gold from Maniology that is just some little flakies in a clear base. So I'm just going to put a little bit on a stamper and take a detail brush and just pick up a few flakes and put down. And this detail brush is from Maniology. I know. Just give me a minute. The hummingbirds are going to attack any minute. There's gold in them there hills. Here's the finished Manny. I think it turned out really cute. What do you guys think? It's perfect for vacation. Going to the beach, going to the pool. All right, thank you guys so much for watching me. Here is the box. And you can buy that and many other starter kits anytime you want. Stay tuned for a little fun video here at the end. And I appreciate you guys. Love you. Bye. The day after I got home, crazy storms. And then I had this rainbow. And then it was a double rainbow. And before I left Michigan, it rained. And there's a rainbow there. You can see the beginning and end of both of them. So cool.